wonder who I'll sit next to this year. Oh, if I sit next to my uncle, well, he always tells the funniest jokes. And if I sit next to my aunt, well, she always smells so lovely. Oh, hello there, my SunBeam Buddies. I'm so glad to see you on this special day during this special time of the year. I'm setting the table for all of my loved ones this Thanksgiving. Isn't it turning out so nice? One of my favorite things about Thanksgiving is that I get to see all of my family and friends. You can see all of your favorite family members like aunts and uncles, grandparents. You also get to watch special shows and parades and celebrate what you're thankful for. Thanksgiving is a time to show thanks. It's a reminder of all the things we are so thankful for, like my family, the food we eat, and all the amazing people I know, like you! What are you thankful for this year? Those are wonderful things to be thankful for. Oh, would you look at the time? I'm going to finish setting the table before my family gets here. I'll be right back. Now that the table is set and we've talked about what we're thankful for, it must be getting closer to when everyone will arrive. At Thanksgiving, we also get to eat one gigantic meal together. The dinner always seems to be this big, and that's a lot of food.
All this Thanksgiving excitement is making me hungry.
Hi, Hangry Hal. Yeah, I'm kind of getting hungry too. I know my mom's making carrots and stuffing for sides. What are you looking forward to, Hangry Hal?
I hope there's broccoli. I love broccoli. Oh, I hope that there's mashed potatoes too. So creamy and delicious.
Which Thanksgiving foods are your favorites? Those are great choices, SunBeam Buddies.
Very delicious choices.
Oh no, talking about all this great food has only made me hungrier.
How can you not think about the gravy, pumpkin pie, cranberry sauce, mac and cheese, and that yummy turkey?
Oh, the turkey! I can smell it from here. Doesn't it smell wonderful? Well, if I can smell the turkey from here, then we must not have much longer until we eat.
Good thinking, Miss Sunshine. I'm going to see if your mom needs any help in the kitchen.
How kind of you, Hangry Hal. I'll see you soon. Turkeys are fun animals, aren't they, SunBeam Buddies? They have big, long feathers, long necks, too, and they make gobble gobble sounds. I know. How about we do the Gobble Wobble Song while we wait for the food to be ready?
It's time to do the turkey dance. Let's gobble wobble like a turkey can. On the count of 3, I want you to gobble with me. Let's gobble like turkeys. 1, 2, 3. Gobble, 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 gobble. Now that we know the turkey gobble, it's time to practice our turkey wobble. Flap your feathers all around. We're gonna shake those tails to this sound. Let's go! Gobble, 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 wobble, gobble, 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 wobble.
It was so fun to sing and dance with you all. And I have one more fun thing for you before my family arrives. Do you want to hear what it is?
Yes!
All right, let's make paper bag turkeys. They are a perfect pair to our Gobble Wobble song. Let me grab the supplies and we'll get crafting. To start our turkey craft, we need a paper bag, googly eyes, scissors, a glue stick, and colorful paper. Make sure to ask your parents or guardian to help you. It's always fun to work together as a team. Let's start by cutting out our turkey feathers using our safety scissors. Did you know that turkeys like to puff out their feathers to look bigger when showing off? It's like when we wear our favorite clothes to express ourselves. Well, let's get those feathers ready. Now that we have all of our tail feathers all cut out, let's cut out the turkey's beak and wattle. Did you know that the red wattle on a turkey helps the turkey release heat on a hot day? Turkeys don't like to sweat, or at least not the same way that we do. So this helps them from getting too hot. Oh. Now we're almost done. It's time to glue. Glue the feathers to the back of the turkey. This is going to be the back of our turkey. Just like this. Then glue the googly eyes, the beak, and the wattle on the front of the turkey. Right here. Just like this. Well done, everyone! Now our turkey is ready to join us for Thanksgiving dinner. And it's ready to gobble, too! I couldn't have said it better myself, Mr. Turkey. It was so fun crafting with you all! Did you hear that? I think that all my friends and family have just arrived. The food must be ready too. I'm so excited! Oh, I almost forgot. For today's SunBeam challenge, give a family member a big hug and tell them what you're thankful for. If you ever want to learn more, just search for our name. Let's spell it together. SunBeam Buddies. SunBeam Buddies! Until next time, have a beautiful day and a happy Thanksgiving!